Welcome back, creators! We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two electric hammer brands will be going at. We have the VEVOR Electric Hammer and the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer. An electric hammer is a tool that's often used to drive nails and other fasteners into a variety of materials, including wood and plaster. As the name indicates, this tool performs in a similar manner to a typical hammer, with the exception that the striking motion, which would usually be conducted manually, is instead performed electronically. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line electric hammers, the VEVOR Electric Hammer and the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these electric hammers have earned 5 and 4 badges respectively from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in other electric hammers that we reviewed, do check out our electric hammer review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these electric hammers will be going toe-to-toe with is their design and form factor. Design and form factor are very important factors when choosing an electric hammer. Some hammers are bulky and industrial looking, which are perfect for factories and professional settings. Some electric hammers, on the other hand, have very fun designs that make them attractive choices for hobbyists or novices who are looking to expand their knowledge with easy-to-understand tools. The VEVOR Electric Hammer has overall dimensions of 28.5 by 15.4 by 7.1 inches. This is more or less to be expected from a demolition jackhammer such as this. At 57 pounds, it is a little on the weighty side for using all day long, but it does its job well enough to justify its weight. The VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, however, boasts a slightly slimmer and more portable design. It has overall dimensions of 29.1 by 11.4 by 6.3 inches. This makes it a much easier to handle tool than its competition. Aside from this, it also weighs less by a significant margin at 43.6 pounds. In terms of design and form factor, the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer has the edge over the VEVOR Electric Hammer thanks to its more portable configuration. It wins this category and earns the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their power. All of the demolition hammers are electric models that are powered by an electric motor to power all of their functionality. For this reason, making sure that your electric motor is powerful enough is highly important to ensure that you don't have any performance issues later on. Just like almost any other electric power tool, this power rating is generally given in amps. It includes options like 10-amp electric motors or 20-amp electric motors, depending on the model that you get. As a rule of thumb, a higher amp rating results in better performance from a given demolition hammer. Fortunately for both these electric hammers, they're designed to withstand the very best of heavy-duty hobs. The VEVOR Electric Hammer has a whopping 3,600 watts of power. This marvelous performance in demolition is one particular feature that makes the demolition jackhammer so remarkable and popular. To top it all off, it's able to go up to a 1,800 per minute impact rate, which is an astounding number. The VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, on the other hand, has a weaker motor power capped up to 2,200 watts of power. With a full load impact rate of 1,400 per minute, however, it can still deliver years-long outstanding work with high quality and efficient performance. The VEVOR Electric Hammer is a clear winner in this category thanks to its extremely powerful power motor. It earns 1 point and ties up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their chisels. There is a chisel on one side of any given demolition hammer that's responsible for the demolition process. Some of these have a 1 1/4 inch chisel, while others might have a 1 3/4 inch chisel depending on the model that you get. Of these two, the larger chisel size offers better performance to the user. The VEVOR Electric Hammer offers 6 chisel bits, including a clay spade chisel, a shovel chisel, a large scraping chisel, a flat chisel, and a point chisel. This is capable of meeting a variety of demands for construction purposes. They're all made from heat-treated alloy steel, and the quick assembly and disassembly brings some much-needed convenience. On the other side of the competition, the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer comes with a flat head and a bull-point chisel only. Although this sounds less impressive than VIVOHOME's 6 chisel beats, the dual chisels are still capable of meeting a variety of demands for construction purposes. Clearly, the VEVOR Electric Hammer is the better machine in terms of its chisel offering. For this reason, we're giving it this round's point as it takes the lead with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their safety features. When working heavily and for long hours, the comfortability of the product affects the user's work. For this reason, we believe that safety is something that often gets overlooked when talking about the best electric hammers. We highly suggest that you reconsider this way of thinking and place safety at the top of the list. For this category, we'll be evaluating each machine's safety features that'll help make your workshop or factory space more secure. The VEVOR Electric Hammer has a 360-degree rotary and vibration-proof handle that caters to different positions under varied circumstances. It also has slip-proof rubber, which greatly enhances friction and absorbs vibration to achieve full control of the electric hammer and a delightful work experience. Aside from this, there's also the rubber rear handle, whose special D-shape is capable of absorbing vibration so as to relieve muscle fatigue. The VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, on the other hand, is no slouch when it comes to safety either. It's equipped with a retainer buckling in the rear part of the chisels, thereby preventing the chisels from dropping out from the front cover and avoiding hazards and body injuries. The anti-slip rubber handle also greatly enhances friction and absorbs vibration, allowing you to have full control of the hammer with a comfortable grip at the same time. Although both machines have great safety features that keep you away from harm, we'll give this round to the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, which goes the extra mile to provide safety for each and every working session for you and your workers. This leads us to a tie and leads us to a tiebreaker round for the last category. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their range of application. A good electric hammer must not be a simple, one-dimensional tool that you have in your toolset. If that's the case, then you're better off renting the thing than investing in it. For this reason, we believe that a wide range of applications is an essential box to be ticked when choosing an electric hammer. The VEVOR Electric Hammer, fortunately, boasts a wide range of applications. Thanks to its powerful motor, it can easily withstand the heavy load of job site applications such as demolition, trenching, chipping, breaking holes in concrete, block, brick, tile stucco, and so much more. Aside from this, it's also applicable to various situations such as plumbing, mechanical installation, construction of water supply and drainage facilities, interior decoration, port facilities, construction, and other construction projects. The VIVOHOME Electric Hammer, on the other hand, is also a reliable multi-purpose machine in its own right. The 2,200-watt demolition hammer can be applied to trenching, breaking concrete, chipping off concrete, grooving, bar cutting, and driving piles in the installation of piping and wiring. On top of this, it's also ideal for sanitary facility installation, machinery installation, water supply, drainage work, interior jobs, harbor facilities, and other civil engineering work. Although both machines are clearly behemoths of their own class, we'll have to give the final point to the VEVOR Electric Hammer for its advantage over the VEVOR Electric Hammer in terms of sheer power. It decisively wins this round and leaves the battle still trailing at 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of electric hammers between the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer and the VEVOR Electric Hammer. Even though it was a very tough fight, the VEVOR Electric Hammer beats the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these electric hammers offer, there can only be one victor today, and the VEVOR Electric Hammer has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the VEVOR Electric Hammer and the VIVOHOME Electric Hammer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next electric hammer face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.